This is how you trigger the YouTube algorithm in 2024 and beyond. The first thing you need to do is focus on a target audience. The reason why is because a YouTube algorithm follows the audience. So once you select the right audience, it will select your videos, your channel, to the right audience. Number two is you need to create videos that your audience cares about. Remember I said about target audience? If you don't have that in mind, then you don't know what video topics your audience likes. And also, you new YouTubers just make videos they want to make. But instead, they need to make videos that the audience wants, the target audience. Number three is you need to think about your thumbnails and your titles. What makes your target audience click on the video? If you can figure out that, then you can start getting views. I have a video on the screen now that will show you the best practices of YouTube titles, so you can make the best YouTube titles you can. On the other side of the screen, I have a video how to make a YouTube thumbnail. Pick one you want to watch, and go ahead and watch that and see one of those videos.